everyone, welcome back to our channel. For today's video, I will be doing a swatches and my review of the detail makeover Sunset Dream. Ito yun siya guys. By the way guys, if you haven't seen my what I got for Christmas 2019 video, doon ko ipinakita guys kung ano yung kasama niya na naka buy one take one. And I'm so lucky guys kasi kung bibilhin mo to on a regular price, will cost you 599 pesos. So nabili ko siya with a buy one take one na another palette guys. By the way guys, mating siya sa akin, naka bubble wrap siya. Upon opening the bubble wrap guys, meron siyang after packaging pa na karton. Ayan guys, akala ko nga itong palette na agad yung bubungad sa akin, but buti na lang guys, meron pa siyang to na nakabalot sa kanya kasi mas secure yung product. As you can see, ano naman, sturdy naman, and I think this is a travel friendly na type na palette. Sturdy talaga yung ano niya, packaging ng palette. So yun guys, upon opening the palette, first na makikita natin dito is yung ating mirror. Actually guys, yung mirror niya is maganda kasi magagamit mo talaga siya. Hindi distorted yung mukha mo pag ginagamit mo siya, unlike nung ibang mga eyeshadow palettes ng ibang brands na hindi magagamit yung mga mirror nila guys kasi parang medyo cheapy pa yung mga mirrors nila. But this one guys, I really love it kasi magagamit ko talaga yung kanyang mirror. And upon opening the palette guys, as you can see, we have total of 6 metallic shades and total of 9 na mga matte eyeshadows. And what I really love about this eyeshadow guys is very pigmented siya, and yung kulay niya is maganda guys, and I will swatch each colors for you. So yun guys, yun ang mga swatches ng ating Sunset Dream eyeshadow or 15 colors eyeshadow. And so far yung pinaka-favorite ko na kulay dito guys is yung Nightfall, yung Blaze, yung Warm, and Morn. Yun ang mga favorite ko for the matte colors, while on the metallic shade so far, nagustuhan ko yung Golden and tsaka yung Fire. Kasi ito yung mga eyeshadow na wala ako doon sa aking Total Effects na Everbelen na palette. So yun guys, I'm so excited to use this colors guys kasi maganda siya, and yung pigmentation ng mga shadows talaga guys is super. By the way guys, yung palette mismo is magnetic siya guys. As you can see, pag nako-close siya, automatic talagang may snap siya. So nilagay silang parang magnet para ma-close talaga yung palette and hindi basta-basta ma-open. By the way guys, ang sa likod pala, ang nakasulat lang naman is Detail Makeover Sunset Dream.
Create a jaw-dropping looks for any time of the day with the Sunset Dream 15 colors eyeshadow palette. Now you can rock the stunning colors of sunset on your lids using a variety textures from ultra smooth mattes to intense metallic.
And may nakalagay siya guys na expiration date, which is mag-expire siya on August 2022. So 3 years yung lifespan nitong palette guys, which is maganda kasi mas magagamit mo pa siya ng matagal. So yun guys, if you will ask me to rate this palette guys, I will rate this 9 out of 10. Malaki talaga ang rate ko sa kanya guys kasi I really love the colors and the pigment of each eyeshadow na nandito sa palette, and I'm so excited to create a lot of makeup inspired look using this palette kasi hindi lang siya puro neutral, meron siyang mga halo vibrant na mga colors na I'm so excited to play with. So yun guys, medyo bawas lang sa rate ng isa guys kasi medyo mahal siya kung bibilin mo siya on a regular price, but when it comes to the actual product, I really love the product guys. So yun lang guys ang aking swatches and brief review of this Detail Makeover Sunset Dream 15 colors eyeshadow palette. I hope na nagustuhan nyo tong swatches and review ko, and if you haven't seen my sunset inspired makeup look, I will just put it on the I button guys kung interesado lang naman kayo. So yun lang guys, thank you for watching and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!